right, this is Unit 6 for Foundations of Reading. To review last week, a silent E symbol has a vowel followed by a consonant and the letter E. The final E is silent, which means you do not say it out loud, and the vowel before it is usually long. This week's rule is a vowel pair syllable has two vowels that work together to make one sound. The first vowel in the pair has a long sound and the second vowel is silent. Here are some examples. The first word is approach. Approach the deer quietly so you don't scare him away. Approach. There are two syllables in approach. In the second syllable, two vowels O and A are together. The vowel O makes the long sound and the vowel A is silent. Okay, so this is a good example of the rule. When the O and the A are together, the first vowel is what you say in the long version, so O, and then the second vowel is always silent. Committee. Our neighborhood watch committee met to discuss vandalism. So there are three syllables in committee. In the third syllable, two vowels E and E are together. The first vowel E makes a long sound, which is E, and the second vowel E is silent. Contain. Foods that contain a lot of fat can be unhealthy. There are two syllables in contain. In the second syllable, two vowels A and I are together. The vowel A makes a long sound, A, and the vowel I is silent. Essay. Remember, sometimes Y is considered a vowel, and in this case it is. A good essay should have introductory and closing paragraphs. Essay. There are two syllables in essay. In the second syllable, two vowels A and Y are together. The vowel A makes a long sound and the vowel Y is silent. The next word is increase. Walking is one way to increase your physical activity. Increase. There are two syllables in increase. In the second syllable, two vowels E and A are together. The vowel E makes a long sound, E, and the vowel A is silent. Coastal. The view from California's coastal highway is beautiful. Coastal. How many syllables are in coastal? Which syllable has a vowel pair? What sound does the vowel O make? What sound does the first vowel A make? Explain. If you don't understand the assignment, ask someone to explain it. How many syllables are in explain? Which syllable has a vowel pair? What sound does the vowel A make? What sound does the vowel I make? Freedom. The United States military protects our nation's freedom. Where is the word divided into syllables? What two vowels appear together? What sound does this vowel pair make? Leadership. The Boy Scout completed a project to earn his leadership badge. Where is the word divided into syllables? What two vowels appear together? What sound does this vowel pair make? Here are some other words that fit the rule for this week. Payment. Make your payment on time or you will be charged a fee. Season. The Major League Baseball season lasts for 6 months. Weekend. Many businesses will be closed for the holiday weekend. How does the rule apply to each of these words? Payment, season, weekend. All right, here are the 12 words for this unit. Please come back to this video throughout the week if you need help with any of the assignments.